Good morning, friends. So today we will be seeing a question from Leetcode, that is smallest subtree with all deepest nodes. Now we will be given a root of a binary tree, the deepest of each node in the shortest distance to the root. We need to return the smallest subtree such that it contains all the deepest node in the original tree. Now what is the deepest node? Deepest node if it has a largest depth possible among any node in the entire tree. The subtree of a node tree consisting of that node plus the set of all descendant nodes. Leave the part. Basically, if you talk about the deepest nodes, these are the deepest nodes, like the most deepest node, or you can say in level order the last row that will be added in the level order traversal. That is this 7 and 4. So we need to return. Let's suppose there is also 6 also have some nodes. So the level order will be last row will be the children of 6 and the children of 2. So the 5 will be that node which will be containing all the deepest nodes. Similarly here only 2 is the nearest parent, you can say, which contain all the deepest node. I hope the question is clear to you all. Now let's just see. This is the tree that is given to us basically, in which we have 3, then 5, 6, and now let's suppose the deepest children are these two children. So I need to find these two numbers. Let's suppose 6 also have children like 1 something. So 1, 7, 4 are the deepest nodes. So I need to tell or check the root that is available from both of the nodes. So this 5 will be my answer because 5 contain this one, 5 subtree contain this one, and 5 contains 7, 4. I cannot take 2 in that situation. Why? Because 2 does not contain 1 in that situation. So nearest or the smallest subtree would be from 5. So let's just see how we can do it. Now we can use DFS. How? We will start inserting every node, and as the last node is inserted, we will be telling its parent, its nearest parent, that this is the number or this is the node. But that will be a very long process, and that will be containing two different arrays, queues, and something. It can. So for simplification of an easy purpose, we can use DFS. When there is a talk about, or we have a question about the deepest or the height of the subtree like this, we always use DFS. So here also we can use DFS. Now in this, what we can do, we can have 3, 5, 1, 6. Now what I will be doing, I will be 7, 4, 1 and 0 and 8. This will be my tree. Now this is my tree. I will be 3, 5. Now I need to go to the deepest node. So I will be going towards 7 and 4. So I will be starting from 3, 5, 2, going to 7, 3, 5, 2, going to 4. Like this. Like this. I will be going like this. So what I can do, I can calculate the maximum depth. Maximum depth. Let's suppose here it is 6. Now if any root or any parent that contains the height of the tree below it same as the deepest node, I will be telling it is my tree, it is my subtree. If any element or any number contain both of the side, equal number of nodes, equal number of height, equal number. Let's suppose 6 also have 0, not this one, let's suppose only. So 5 has a height of 2, and in the left side also it is having a height of 2. So this can be my deepest node. This can be my smallest deepest node. Now how will I be calculating deepest? I will be calculating the maximum depth. Let's suppose it is 5. So if this both, this its height and its height is equal to 5. If you calculate it from root, it is 5, and this 0 is also 5. So if it is 5, so I will be considering this as my root or least common ancestor. I will be finding least common ancestor. This is the explanation part, or you can say this will be our approach. This is a very simple approach that we can do. We just need to calculate the LCA for the tree that has the maximum depth. I hope the question is clear to you all. Okay, so what we can do in the code, we can take variable maximum depth LCA. We can do a DFS, calculate the maximum depth of the tree, and then calculate the left side depth and the right side depth. If both of the depth are same, then the LCAs are root. And either DFS will be returning my length of the subtree, or you can say the height of the subtree, height of the tree. Let's run it. Let's just submit it. Okay, we got a successful or accepted solution. Now, if you have any doubt regarding any line in the question or any approach, you can try writing in the comment section, or if you have any better approach to solve this question, you can drop it inside the comment section.